Women, 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 woman in front of me. That's a bloke behind me. Woman, woman, man. That's obviously the congestion on this road is obviously caused by women drivers. Look, women. They're all women. Woman, bloke. So my theory for getting rid of car pollution is ban all women drivers, obviously.
What?
There's a lot more women drivers. And they're obviously driving around needlessly and they're always harping on about the environment. So I think it's only fair that all women should be banned from driving. Now, they'll be exempt if they've got a baby. Otherwise, give them all motorbike lessons. That'd be perfect. I think every biker would agree with that. Fuck no, motorbike.